All right, Smudge. Please go on, Smudge. In fact, he takes the correct key, the brass key, he puts it in the keyhole, turns it round, and now it goes twice, and opens the door, pushes down the handle, opens the door. Very good, Smudge. We already are at the third door, the door with the roller shutter, the aluminium roller shutter. Please, Smudge. Go on, Smudge. He takes off the close panel, gives it to me. Now he has to turn the handle until the roller shutter is up. To motivate him, I put his reward here behind the roller shutter so he goes a little bit faster. Here's the same problem as with the screw. He has to turn in the correct direction, otherwise